Are you tired of your sports bras pinching, riding up, and just feeling uncomfortable in general? I'm Gina with WTI, and all of those problems were fixed by this sports bra that I got from Floatley. This fabric is so smooth and soft and comfortable on your skin, and I love that it doesn't pinch underneath my arm. You know that area right there where if you're a little bit out of shape like I am, it kind of squeezes out from your bra? With this bra, I'm so comfortable. I feel zero irritation. I got the black style with the double straps. I really like that look a lot because that means that when I'm working out, I don't necessarily have to have a shirt on over the top. This comes with molded cups that are not removable, and I really like that because I hate removable cups. I got the size medium. I'm a 32 double D normally, and I would say this is a little bit on the loose side, but I really just wanted to be comfortable. There are adjustable clasps in the back so that you can extend it out farther too. I think you're going to love it as much as I do, and that's my point of view.